Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. Today I'm going to be making some homemade chicken noodle soup. Now this one is my very easy and simple recipe. I just thought what better time to make it than now. It's cold and gloomy out, or at least it is here. So I decided to make some homemade chicken noodle soup. It is very beginner friendly and I hope you guys enjoy.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships flying. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See fire, that you see stars, that you elevate, that you me God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. What's in these four walls? Sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you here on board? Show up. You Mr. Nasty. I clean it up. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? We gon' fuck up the night. Get up, black light. Spaceships flying. Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Get up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See fire, that you see stars, that you elevate, that you me God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Sonic, sexy products on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them hydraulics while I ride it. Got me acting hella thotty. So excited. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Leave it, no self-control. I got time today. I got time for wine. Got time today. I can't wait to come out and play. Oh yeah, you. Call me drop it, baby. While I bust it for you, baby. Anywhere, anytime, I don't mind. Yeah, for you. I'm back in the trap.
Okay guys, now this part is completely optional. I added a heaping of cream of chicken because I just love the taste and it makes it nice and creamy. You can omit this completely and leave it as is, or if you want to thicken it up, you can just do the cornstarch. It's up to you, but I love the taste, so I added it.